I can explaining what I can see in front of me. This is sun. The sun is rising. The sun is very beautiful. You can see in front of me. This is a paddy field. This field is green and fresh. There are different types of plant in the field. They are growing in the water. You can see this is a foggy morning. The sun gives us light. We can see.